Fancy.
Look how far on the end.
Yeah, they'd be walking.
Not us.
Oh yeah, there is another trail right there, right now. Explore all these side trails one day.
Yeah.
Come out here while the kids are at school and just straight explore.
No.
No.
No, you have to read first.
Why?
I like it out here.
Oh, you like it out here? Yeah, man. They be walking.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You know, since you guys been peeing so much, I probably gotta take a piss. You're so... There's a bunch of perfect spots.
I'm watching.
No.
There's gonna be parked on this trail. This one's a lot more parked.
There's a bunch of like off-sided. Jacob. Bro, that'd be gangster. We'd probably get in hella trouble though. How would we not get caught? Dude, the fucking neighborhood that this park sits in, they'd be hearing that shit, be like, what the fuck?
The fuck?
That's gangster. Nah, I thought I saw something move. That paranormal activity.
No more. That did.
No more.
The danger's there. The rituals, man.
Alright. What's up, girl? You wanna walk with me? Oh, because you want help? Yeah. Crazy stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Mama said we can be
Look at that. It look like they've been blowing up trees. Look at that. Woo! Falling. Look at that gangster.
Got your house.
I know, that's why I told you guys I was about to do something stupid.
That would look like someone actually
Live here. Oh no! That's
Damn,
why I
Jacob.
not to touch.
I'm not touching it.
I know. That's why I didn't want the kids coming with me.
What is
Whoa!
that?
I about broke that one.
Careful,
Hell yeah.
Fire for them. Don't broke it.
Oh yeah, I'd definitely taken someone a while for this.